Hi, this is Irvin from Resilience Occupational Therapy, and we've been talking about in this series of videos the different occupations we have, and one of the most overlooked occupations that occupies a lot of our time is sleep and relaxation. During this time of COVID-19, this pandemic, many of us are at home, our occupations and our days are disrupted. It's really important to try to have some degree of routine, making sure you're trying to go to sleep at the same time every night, making sure you're getting up at around the same time. I recommend naps. You can see a whole thing about naps in another video that I'll attach at the end of this. But making sure if you're doing naps that you're doing them with a routine. Your body gets used to having its particular routines and its things that help you go to sleep, and the more routine you have, the better. Try to keep your bedroom solely for activities that have relaxation, and not have the bedroom be a place that you associate with work, that you associate with all of your childcare and all the other activities if possible, so that when you lay down in bed, it's a trigger for yourself that it's time to go to sleep. Additionally, right before you go to sleep, try not to have a lot of screen time if you can help it. I know we're all glued to Facebook these days, we're all watching movies and such, but about an hour before going to sleep would be really great to just be reading books, just be talking with family, maybe on the phone. Try not to stare at your screen. And if you feel like you have to stare at your screen, there are settings you can do to make so that you're getting more orange light instead of blue light, which can sort of trigger that more relaxation as well and getting ready for that. If you have any questions about strategies for sleep and relaxation, or have any comments and things that you think that others would benefit from, please comment below so we can have this can be a place where people can have a little bit of that discussion. So take care, make sure that you're getting your sleep and your relaxation.